Greetings everyone. In this video we are going to talk about cost of goods sold and gross profit. Let's talk about cost of goods sold first. These are listed in the profit and loss statement as the second section after the revenue. It's also called direct cost, which you incurred to make sale of your products or services. There is a formula to calculate COGS, which is purchases plus opening stock minus closing stock. These purchases are the purchases you made of the goods you are selling. If your revenue comes from selling any type of services, maybe it's an architect firm or it's an accounting firm, the COGS will be the payroll of the staff you hire to perform those services. And there will not be any opening stock or closing stock because you don't sell stuff, you only sell services. Now, gross profit is calculated with COGS. The formula for the gross profit is the revenue you received minus the COGS. So revenue is the money you have received from selling your goods or services. COGS is again the money you spent to be able to sell those goods and services. Examples of COGS are purchases, plus maybe you paid freight to get those goods into your warehouse before you could sell. That will be also part of it. Gross profit is shown as percentage of revenue in statement of financial performance. Now there is an example or a question for you to consider. So Jane Smith made sales of $4,000 in January. Her stock value on 1st of January was $500. So this is the opening stock value. She made purchases of $3,000. Her closing stock was $800. Calculate cost of goods sold and gross profit. So this is how you will calculate it. So you wrote sales up at the top, less cost of goods sold, which is opening stock, plus purchases, less closing stock. That's 2,700. Gross profit is difference between 4,000 and 2,700, which is 1,300. And the gross profit percentage is based on the revenue. So 1,300 divided by 4,000 times 100 is 32.5. Just a little note, higher COGS means lower gross profit and lower COGS means higher gross profit. I hope it helps you in clearing your understanding about COGS and gross profit. Thank you very much.